number one defense for hard for defense, right? Because some of the fighter they jab. That's why we learn about jab defense. But when you jab, hit me, real, okay? KO. If you fake jab, I don't know how to show people. Okay, I don't know how to show them. Real jab in my face, I can protect myself, don't worry. KO, me. Jab. Jab. You see, you not jab real. Real. Real, I did real. Up. Jab. Up. I use my back leg. Oh, backhand, sorry. My backhand parry. Parry the jab. When they parry, see? Hand open. I use my small, right? This is not open. Small. It's open, bigger, more safe. Real jab. Jab. Up. Low kick. Jab. Up. Oh, look at the cross. Jab. If you good, how? Better how? Too good. Elbow more than that. If you far, jab. Also good. We do 4 options. Jab. Up. Low kick. He jab again. Hold it cross. He jab again. Up an elbow. He jab again. Up into high kick. Ball you pass like that. He jab now. He jab now. Low kick. Yeah. Low kick. Low kick. Oh. Punch. Punch. Now elbow. Elbow. Now high kick. High kick. Yeah. Okay, one more time. Low kick. Punch. Elbow. High kick. One more time. Low kick. Punch. Elbow. High kick. Got it? Call your partner to that. Go! Thank you, bye. Hold on.